Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Taker. In this video, I'll be doing the PUBG gameplay test using the GFX tool at the Ultra HD settings. So by using GFX tool friends in the Poco X3 device, as you can see here friends, right now I'm using Poco X3. So by using GFX tool, I'll try to play the PUBG game at Ultra HD settings. And let's see what is the real-time FPS count you can actually get if you're using that kind of Ultra HD settings in this kind of mobile phone with the GFX tool. So here is the application which I'm trying to use in this video, BAGT. Most of the users they did recommend to use this application, but even I did a 90 FPS gameplay test as well. So try to check that video. In case if you missed that video, here is a playlist of the Poco X3 in the description as well. Try to check the links in description. You can find complete details about the Poco X3 mobile phone. So I selected the graphics quality and everything. So let me try to start the game. So let's see friends, what is the real-time FPS you can actually get using this kind of Ultra HD settings, and when you try to run in the Poco X3 smartphone. Even I am very curious to know how much we can actually achieve in the Poco X3 using this kind of Ultra HD settings. So make sure to follow me regularly friends, because recently even I did a video on the Samsung Galaxy M51 which has close to 15 to 16 hours of screen on time which got recorded in this mobile phone, Samsung Galaxy M51 7000. 16 hours friends, that's a very insane battery. Try to check that video which I uploaded recently. And it is a quick settings review. So let me try to show you the settings as well, and graphics settings. As you can see friends, I did select the Ultra HD, and right now it's playing in the Ultra HD only. As you can see here, the FPS count as you can see here, it's close to 53, 38, and it's varying ups and down. So let me try to start the match as well, and let's see once you start the match how good the graphics gonna look in this Poco X3 device. And one advantage with this phone is that you can actually improve plenty of colors using this enhancement mode as well, which is present. As you can see, a visual enhancement mode. So overall, you can see the real-time FPS count, how much you are getting. 37 FPS count, 40, 43. So let me try to decrease the enhancement mode. These are normal colors, none. So you're getting average about 40 FPS right now. And if you use this kind of mode, I think the FPS count is increasing, I guess so. I can see the improvement in terms of the FPS count if you use this kind of visual enhancement mode, I think. So right now it's 39 FPS, I'm not sure. So let me try to decrease the visual enhancement mode to 0. FPS. The dual stereo speaker setup is amazing in this Poco X3 device, which is very good. So you can actually feel the sound and more vibrations as well on the back side, obviously for the Poco X3 users. So overall friends, you're getting the FPS count close to 40 FPS, and average I can say it's increasing and decreasing often. As you can see, the right now even it's 40 FPS at the moment. And there is no lag as well while gaming. So 40 FPS was the maximum recorded FPS count if you use the Ultra HD 41. So now let me try to increase the visual enhancement mode. So let's see whether it will increase the FPS count or not. So that's it, friends. This is a quick review on this Ultra HD usage of the PUBG game using the GFX tool. And for more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, SciTech Guru, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.